Hello children, my name is Jalaja. I am your EVS teacher. Today from Ncert book Looking Around, we will start chapter 3 from Tasting to Digesting, lecture 1. Chapter 3 from Tasting to Digesting, lecture 1. As the name of the chapter say, different tastes we can identify it by our tongue, and food we eat get digested in our stomach. Related to this, we are going to learn and understand. Here is a story of two sisters named Jhumpa and Jhulan. Jhumpa is saying to her mother that she will not eat bitter gourd, that is Karela. She wants gur and roti, gur jaggery. Jhulan teased Jhumpa that, don't you get bored of only one kind of taste? Then Jhumpa replied quickly, do you get bored by licking imli? Imli, English name is tamarind. I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing the word imli. But I eat sweet and salty things too. We should eat all kinds of food. Here both the sisters are playing a game. Jhulan said to Jhumpa to close your eyes and open your mouth. I will put something in your mouth. You have to identify it. Jhulan took a few drops of lemon juice in a spoon and Jhumpa replied quickly that it is a lemon. Then Jhulan crushed jaggery and put in Jhumpa's mouth. She easily guessed it. We can play the game with different food items in our home with friends and parents. Yes, it is a very interesting game which help us to identify different tastes: sweet, sour, bitter and salt. Here, have a look at this diagram of tongue showing different taste buds. Chew it or chew it well. Take a piece of bread or roti or cooked rice. Chew it for 3 to 4 times and swallow it. Then again take another piece or some rice and chew it for 30 to 32 times. So we can feel the change. That is, we should chew the food well so that the food get digested easily. If we are not chewing well, the food takes more time for digestion. That's why our parents and elders used to say to eat slowly and chew well the food. Now you understood the difference? Here, our saliva plays a very important role. It helps us to move the tongue easily and also help us to swallow the food. Saliva makes the food soft and moist. It contains enzymes which convert starch present in the food into sugar. How do you feel when you are hungry? When we feel hungry, we show different action. Like some people have headache, some people start crying, some gets angry and some gets tired, and many more. Can we manage ourselves without drinking water for 2 days? No, we cannot. Water is very essential for our body. Water we drink is used by our body for various metabolic functions. Excess water is excreted out of our body in the form of urine and sweat. So, we have to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Here is the diagram of human digestive system. Have a look. So, children, we will continue this chapter in lecture 2. Thank you.